Your brown-skinned baby needs to wear makeup too. Here's what to do so that they match the team without looking chalky. Right here on the Beginner Dance Mom's Guide. I'm Jazzy, and this is
Kai.
Not only am I a dance mom, but I'm her dance teacher. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to match your brown-skinned baby to the rest of the team. Let's get into it. First, we're going to do a light dusting of our setting powder to make sure that there's no shine, because if we have any glitter or metallic eyeshadow or anything, we want that to show, not the oil. So we're going to do a nice light coat of that. Next, we are going to apply our blush. Now, blush always feels a little bit iffy, but you're going to want to go with a warmer tone. We're going to put on our blush now and make sure that we do a bit of blending. So we're going to make sure that we move outward, away from the apple of the cheeks. And we are not going to dust it on the tip of the nose the way that we did with our other babies. Even better than the peach, if you get a warm plum color, it looks really, really good. Next, we're going to apply our eyeliner. We're going to make sure that we stay close to the lashes. And we're going to do it just slightly thicker so that there's definition . And we can definitely see where her eyelashes stop and her eyes start. Next, her lipstick. My favorite thing to do with darker skinned babies is a nice bright pink or a warm red. I think we're gonna go with the bright pink today. What do you say? Yeah. Okay. So relax your mouth, relax, there we go. And we're gonna put it on just a little bit thicker than we would the other babies because it's much harder to see her lips than the other girls. We're still gonna blend out with our fingers, but we're going to make sure that it is nice and thick. It's always great to keep a makeup wipe close at hand so that you don't have to worry about smearing the lipstick on her face or on her costume. Once we get that bright pink on, we're going to do exactly this and make sure that it's not on her teeth because yes, it is on thick. Then we are going to apply our bubble gum on top. This time we're not going to do it as thickly as we did on other babies. We are going to do it very lightly on the top and we're going to let her smack it even. And you can always blend out the uneven parts with your fingers. As you can see, she still looks very pink without looking chalky. You don't have to go purple or red just because you have a brown skinned baby. Next, we're going to move to her eyes. Her eyes do need to have pink shadow to match everyone else on the team. So we are going to grab our darker pink. We're going to apply the darker pink on the lid. And we're going to be generous because we are going to go over it with our highlighter so that she matches the rest of the team. Next, we're going to apply our highlighter to the lid, and we're going to do it lightly so that we have that halo glow, but we're not taking away from the pink that we've already done. I'm going to do this with my finger so that it goes on evenly on her lid and slightly above her lid, like into the crease. Next, I'm going to add some mascara, and this baby is a little pro, so she can do it with her eyes open. And this side. This one is my little diva right here. She knows exactly what to do. You've had practice, huh? Eyes up. And we're gonna get the lower lashes as well so that whenever she does her faces, it doesn't look like she only has upper lashes. Don't forget about the lower lashes. And again, if your babies are afraid of the brush, you can always get them to close their eyes and put it on at one time. How do you feel?
Good.
Pretty?
Mm-hmm.
You're toothy. There we go. And that's pink makeup for your brown-skinned baby. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye!